Hello, this is Miss McNair, and this video is to help you get started with this class. It's unprofessionally done. I use my cell phone, so just kind of bear with me. You'll go to the East Central website, and then over here on the right hand side, you'll see under Quick Links, you will click on Canvas. And then if you look under Courses, all the classes that you've registered for will be found right here. And our class, I have a bunch of them, but this is your class right here that you will click on. Now this class is not published, so it's going to look a little bit different than what you're going to see. But this is the home screen that you will see when you actually log on to the class. And over on the right hand side, if I can scroll over there, hold on, I think I go all the way to the bottom to scroll over, yeah. Now I'm going to go back up. Like I said, this is not published yet, so here will be the modules that you click on, your links right here. I'm going to click on modules to begin with. I know that's not in Clearview yet, but it will be when I publish the class. All right, here's what you're going to see. The first thing here is course orientation. This is just to help you understand Canvas, how to use Canvas. Then we're going to scroll down to the important stuff. Here's your syllabus and your course information. There's your syllabus, a week 1 checklist. I'm going to actually click on that. These are things you need to take care of week 1. Page didn't come up. Let me back up. Here we go. Try that again. Here we go. All right. Be sure that you do all these things week 1. I'm not going to read everything to you. I'm just going to point out the main ones. There is a discussion board right here. Every week you have to answer a discussion. This is for attendance. Be sure that you do that. It's extremely important. This is where I will transfer your grades from the math lab to this grade book. The modules is where you'll find everything. Okay, this is all your information to get started for this class. So let me go back to the modules right here. All right, that's how to familiarize yourself with Canvas. This is week 1. There's some important information. Be sure you click on that link. This is your math lab. This is very important. This is how you get registered for your math lab. And this handout will show up in just a moment. It tells you exactly what to do. Here's the website that you go to. It tells you what to click on. To register, you'll click on student, and then you'll click OK, register now. This right here, this my name, with those numbers is going to be your course ID. You will need that information. You will also set up a username and a password. I cannot tell you how important it is for you to write that down somewhere because I do not have access to that. And if you forget it, I can't help you. Okay, I know you say you won't forget, but believe me, somebody always does. All right, once you get there and you start to log on, you will see right here, click on student, and then it's going to tell you need 3 things to get started. You need an email. Please use the email that you check. If it's not your school email, then use your personal email. The course ID, I just showed you that on the handout. The handout will walk you through all of this registration. And then a way to pay for this class. There's an access code that comes with your book, or you also can use a credit card. Once you click OK over here, register now, as it tells you to. Then here's where you put in that course ID, McNair, and those numbers that I just gave you. It's on the handout, okay? Then you'll finish registering. Then you can get started. All right, now let me get on where I'm at. All right, now this is my page. I've already logged on. This is what you will see. This is your class that will pop up once you register. You're going to click on the class. And this is where all your assignments will be. All of your homework, if you'll look right here, homework, quizzes and tests. There's the grade book. There's also this multimedia library. It has all kind of great stuff. It has PowerPoints. It has videos to go along with each section. Use that. It's very, very helpful. Okay, I have not published this yet, so I'm going to click on homework and kind of show you. It's not up yet, so hold on. Let me fix it so you can see it. Here are the homework assignments. I'm not going to scroll all the way down, but here's some of them if that starts out, okay? If you will click on Show All, you will be able to see everything that's been assigned to you. Every test, every homework assignment. This is all the things that you are responsible for. And you can scroll down and see all of those for the whole class, okay? Now, when these are posted out front, mine are over here on the right-hand side, but over here on the left-hand side, it'll be right over here. It'll have the date that they're due. And like right here, here's the date that it's due. The first assignment is due 1/24. Everything for the first test, all homework and test 1 is due by 1/24. You can work your homework as many times as you like to have 100 average. You can, that's not a problem, but I suggest that you do that. You can take your test twice, okay? So be sure that you realize that those two things. One other thing that you need to do is before you start, let me go back up here to my courses and click back on the beginning of this. You have to have a computer that has certain downloads on it, and under the announcements right here where it says View All Announcements, the first thing it's going to tell you is to run a browser check, okay? This is to make sure your computer has all the things on it that you need. Mine's going to pop up and it'll tell me what I need to download and what I don't have loaded on it. This has to be done or you cannot see how to work some of this stuff. Like I need Adobe Reader, it needs to be installed. This is very important. People forget to do this all the time. Your TestGen plugin, you need to be sure that you have that done. And then that third-party cookies, be sure it'll tell you right here what to do. So do that on each individual person will need to do that on their computer. If you're on Essentials campus, you're welcome to use the Math Lab. It's in Etheridge, and you're welcome to go over there and use that if you like. If you're on campus sometime and you want to work at school. All right, I'm going to stop right there because the video is getting really long. I hope that's helpful. Good luck to everyone.